Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the YouCut video editing app. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make slow motion videos using this app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the YouCut application on your device and then tap on the plus icon to start working on any project. You may choose your existing projects or create a new one if you wish. Now inside of your project, you have various different options to make your edit. If you wish to make your videos appear in slow motion, then to do so, make sure that your video layer is selected. Then go into the speed option, and here you can find both the standard and the speed curve settings. If you use the standard option, you can change the speed in a uniform fashion. As you can see, the 1x speed is the normal one, so in order to slow down your videos into slow motion, you will need to move the slider to the right. Now if you check out the preview, the video will play back in your chosen speed. You can also try using the smooth checkbox and apply a smooth effect that will make your slow motion videos look more polished. You can disable the smooth effect at any point of time if you wish by simply unchecking. If you don't want to use a uniform speed value and you want your speed to change throughout the duration of the video, then you will need to use the curve feature. Within the curve, you will find various lines and points that will define your speed. At the middle, we have the 1x speed, which is the normal speed. We can use the node points to decrease our speed by moving it below the middle line. You can also add another node point by using the plus icon with the vertical bar exactly at the location where you want a new point. And with this feature, you can make both fast and slow motion footages and even combine both of them to make your edits more engaging, interesting, and make it follow a certain rhythm. We also have the preset option that has various different patterns of speed. Check out the different patterns that are most commonly used, and you can change these settings and make smaller adjustments based on your desire as well. That is how you can make your slow motion footages using the YouCut application. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.